Presenting, boAt newly launched Airdopes in mint Cascade. They are also available in royal blue. The box contains the earbuds, additional earbuds, charging cable, user manual and warranty card. These wireless earbuds come with a dedicated LED battery indicator screen and IWP technology. The 10mm audio drivers and TWS function deliver boAt signature sound. While the ASAP charge technology fetches up to 60 minutes of playback time in just 5 minutes of charge and a total playback time of 40 hours. Enjoy clearer sound with ANX technology-enabled quad microphones that cancel out unwanted ambient sounds. The 65 meters low latency makes them ideal for gaming. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page.